Here at Stevens Aviation, we offer AOG support and mobile maintenance. The AOG support being anywhere the aircraft is broken down. We dispatch technicians all over the world to support these airplanes. Mobile maintenance, we take care of their light scheduled inspections in their hangar, kind of at their facilities to eliminate fuel costs, travel charges, crews. With our technicians, we do have a 1-hour dispatch time. That's from the time that dispatch will receive the call until the time that those technicians are headed en route to the aircraft. The AOG Mobile Services Department here at Stevens, we support a wide variety of airframes. All Citation products, the Challenger lines, both the 300, 350, and the 600 series, along with the Global series and Gulfstreams. 2.5 years ago, we had a few trucks, 5 technicians, and a little bit of tooling, and with the support of Randy Smith, our VP, we have grown that up to 14 trucks, 34 technicians, and it's the quality of technicians that we have that have built this business for us in the amount of time we've been doing it. Separates us from the competition would have to be quality, hands down, quality and safety. Our guys are some of the top performers in the country right now, and we have a proven product.